Hello students, in this video I'm teaching chapter 3 pair of linear equation in two variables. So in the name of the chapter itself, the summary of whole chapter is hidden. What is the meaning of pair? Pair means two. Linear equation. Linear equation means equation whose degree is 1. So two equations means pair and linear equation means whose degree is 1 and two variables are required. So in this chapter we will learn a pair of linear equation in two variables, say x and y, or it can be u or v. Continue watching. The first point is linear equation. So just now I told you linear equation is the equation, a mathematical expression or equation whose degree is 1. It is called linear equation. For example, ax plus b is equal to 0. Here x is the variable and a, b are coefficients. You can say real numbers. One more example is there, 3x plus 5. Here 3 and 5 are real numbers and x is a variable. So this is linear equation in one variable. We can solve the linear equation in one variable. To solve it, only one equation is required. Say ax plus b is equal to 0. This b will go that side. Ax is equal to minus b. Now this a will go in the denominator. X is equal to minus b upon a. So this is the solution of the linear equation. One more solution I'm showing you. 3x plus 5. This equation. 5 will go that side. It will become 3x is equal to minus 5. Now 3 will go in the denominator. The solution is x is equal to minus 5 upon 3. In this way, linear equation in one variable can be solved. To solve it, only one equation is required. These are the example of linear equation in one variable only. Let's talk about linear equation in two variables. So this is the second point, linear equation in two variable. See, a linear equation in which there are two variables, say x and y, is called linear equation in two variable. This x and y can be u and v also. This is not compulsory only x and y. You can take any two variables. For example, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. And one more example I am giving you. See, 3x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is another example where a, b, c are real numbers and x, y are variables. A and b both cannot be equal to 0. Because if A is 0, B is 0, only C will left, which is of degree 0, means a constant value. So linear equation must have degree 1. That's why A and B both cannot be equal to 0. Now if I want, like in previous example, linear equation in one variable, I told you to solve for x. But here if I want you to solve it for x and y both, how can you solve it? Do you need anything else? Yes, we need a pair of linear equation. To solve a linear equation in two variables, we need two equations. So this is the third point, pair. So this is clear to you what is linear equation. This is clear to you linear equation in two variable. Now this pair is very important because to solve a linear equation in two variables, we need a pair. For example, this is linear equation in one variable, standard form. This is linear equation in two variables, standard form. And if we want pair, then a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 all are real numbers, can be same or different. But this x, this must be same in both the equations. This y, it must be same in both the equation. If one equation is in x and y and other equation is in u and v, then we will not say that is a pair. So pair means pair of linear equation means variable must be same, but real numbers a, b, c can be different. This is one more example. Ax plus by plus c z plus d is equal to 0. Here three variables are there, x, y and z. So it is called linear equation in three variables. Now if you want to solve linear equation in three variables, how many equations you need? You need three equations where x, y, z must be same and a, b, c, d, these are real number, can be different in all three. Now fourth point, representation of linear equation. Now how to represent it? Graphical method and algebraic method. There are two methods. Using graphical method, you can represent the linear equation in two variables with a line. So graph will always give a line to you. Now listen carefully. This is the graph. Say this line x plus y is equal to 5. This is represented by this line. See, this is the straight line. Now this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and in the coordinate plane, this is the equation x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. One more graph I am showing you. See, this is another graph where there are two lines. This is first line, this is second line, and this is called point of intersection. Point of intersection is also called solution. And equation of these two lines is x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the equation, this one. And x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is line, this one. And both the line are interacting with, at this point. See, this is the point. On this point, we will say this is the solution. This pair has a solution, unique solution you can say, and this is this point. It is very important to understand. Now let's continue. Fifth, solution. Algebraic method has three solutions, three different methods. All these three methods are algebraic methods. First one is substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Graphical method is again a method which I'll teach you in video number 2. So here algebraic method, these three methods you will learn in the coming videos. So in the next video, that is part 2. This one is part 1. Here you have seen this is part 1. In the next video, I will teach you how to solve the linear equation in two variable using graphical method. How to make the graph. In this video, I have just shown you the graph. I have not made any. So, and in the coming videos, part 3, part 4, part 5, I will teach you this substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. So continue watching all these videos. Thank you.